Hello guys, in less than 10 minutes, I am going to guide you on how to create a beautiful VTU website like this one that you see on your screen. That on this website you can offer a VTU services like data subscription, airtime subscription, cable and electricity bill subscription, as well as BVN and NIN verification, CAC registration, and other services that are not listed here. You can also offer several services on this website. Follow me in this video. I am going to guide you step by step on how to install this script on your hosting and then get this website very active and then to host it to make money in 2026. This is the template of this website. When you register on this website, it is very responsive and easy to use for a user that have registered on this website. You can see now that I am registering. You can send the link to the people. They can register freely on your website and it is easy to use. So once a user registered on your website, he can generate an account number to fund his wallet and then make transaction on your website. This is the perfect site hustles website that you can start in this 2026. This is the user dashboard of this website. You can see, you can change the color of this. You can see the several services that you can offer on this website. This is the dashboard, and a user will find it very easy to use and very easy to navigate through the website. So let me go directly into the admin dashboard of this website. This is the admin dashboard of this website where you can control your website, where you can host your API, where you can connect several services from this dashboard. In this video, I am not focusing on the services that you will offer on the website, and I'm focusing on how to install the BTU script. So now let's go directly to the process on how to install this script. For you to host this website, you need a hosting provider. I recommend you to use Apis Host. Once you have registered on this website, once you navigate to apishost.com, just click on register and provide the necessary information. It is easy to fill. You can just fill the necessary information and then click on register. It is easy to do that. It's not something that is big. So once you have registered, all you need to do is just register your domain name. The domain name is just the name that you will be hosting. For instance, BTU Niger, BTU something, and whatsoever. So click on register a new domain. As you can see, I'm just showing you on the website. Now that I am registering the domain, I should write it here and they check if the domain is available. Now they are going to show me if the domain is available. Now the domain is available. I'm going to add it to my cart. Once I added that domain to my cart, I am going to click on this continue button so that I am going to continue with the purchase. So now that I know that the domain I am intended to use is available, I am going to add it on her hosting. Hosting is like the memory that will save all the data that I am going to host on my website. Just click on this button and then add the hosting and then select the billing cycle of that hosting. It is very easy to do that. Just click on use the domain name in your shopping cart so you can check the billing system. Now I am selecting the semi-annual, then click on continue. With just 10,000 naira, you can host the domain and the hosting here on this website. That's the reason we are using it, because it is cheaper and very active. So just click on continue to check out this billing. You have successfully generated the invoice. As you can see, just change the payment gateway to Paystack. I am always using Paystack, and then click on pay now. Once you have come to this website, to this page, all you need to do is just to send the amount to this exact account number that you can see on this screen, and it is for 30 seconds. Just copy the exact amount and send it. Once you have sent it, it will go into process and automatically send that amount to this account number, and your payment will be processed. Once the payment have processed, you can see the invoice will change from unpaid to the paid, and then you can click on continue to client area. Once you come to your client area, click on this my services, and you are going to see the services that you have purchased recently. Let's wait for it to propagate, because it will be showing this pending button. Once it has propagate, you can continue with your services. Now let me use another domain to show you. You can see once it propagate, you should just click on this view details. Once you click on view details, you should see the bottom to navigate to your cPanels. Click on this bottom cPanel. From this dashboard, it will navigate you to your cPanel. cPanel is easy to use, and it is just like a file manager on your phone where you can host your files. So that's the use of that cPanel, where you can coordinate your website. So there are three basic things that you need to know on these cPanels. You need to know about file manager. You also need to know about php my admin and just the email. This is all you need to do on this website. Click on this file manager, and then click on public HTML. This is public HTML. Once you click on file manager, go to public HTML. Public HTML is where you are going to host the files directly on your domain, not subdomain. Click on this upload button and then click on select the file. So you are going to upload this zip file. I'm going to share these two zip file, the zip file, and then the now that I have uploaded, so I am in need of these logos. So I'm going to select these logos and move them back to the public HTML. So you don't need to do this, and then delete this file. So you are going to extract this file directly into a public HTML. Now that I have extracted, you should see it like folders, right? You can delete all these because you don't need them here. So you don't need them. Then move these logos. You can upload your logo and move them into /app folder, and also move them into asset/img, asset/img, and then name them Pabicon and then logo.png. This is logo.png. This is what to name them. Click on this database wizard and then use any name here. You can use the same name because not to forget, I'm using new. Also, I'm copying the database name to use it as my password for me not to forget. Click on create, and then allow these privileges and make changes. Now you have successfully created the database. It's not something big. Just click on php my admin and you are going to navigate directly into your database. So this is php my admin. Click on it and you can see this is where to host your database. Click on this file manager, click on core folder. Let me go back. Sorry, I'm navigating through. Let me come back to this php my admin for you not to be confused. Click on this import. Choose the file. This is the SQL file. These are the only two folders that you need to upload. Click on import. This is the structure that you see, the tables that you should see on after you have uploaded. So there is no need to touch anything here. Just copy the name of that database, and then come to your public HTML. Click on this core folder. Once you click on this core folder, click on models and then go to model.php and right click on it, then click on edit. Once you edit this file, just change the database name, the database username, and then the database password. These are the only things that you need to change on this page. These are the only things that you need to change, and then change the email address that you have created and then the password that you have set. So then save the changes and then close the files. This is only what you need to change on this folder. Then navigate back to the public HTML, click on core folder, click on helpers, click on vendors, then go to this site.php and then click on edit. So once you edit this file, just remove this if you are hosting on public HTML, and write the name of your website here, then save the change and exit. So what remains is just to change the index folder. Come to the bottom of your website in public HTML, right click on index.php and then click on this search icon. Write the name of any of the website here, that's Maru's Data, then click on this plus icon and then type the name of your website. For now it is Mother Shop, right? Click on all and then save change, replace it. So now your domain is ready. You are going to see that the website has become yours, and then you can host it and then sell data on your website. Thank you for listening. If you want this script, just chat me on WhatsApp. I'm going to provide this script. It is just 9,900 naira as for now that I am recording this video. It may increase. Thank you for listening.